Accounting is the process of documenting a company's financial transaction in a systematic and precise manner. The three key financial statements that generate by your record is the income statement, balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. The importance of accounting is in planning, in organization, in management, motivate employees, and as a media in communicating.
These are the journal entries based on case study 1. A ledger contains a record of business transactions. On this figure, you can see the balance from each transaction for the month of October 2020. On this ledger, you can see the balance for cash, computer equipment, and capital account. Then, we can see the balance for rent, equipment, and creditors account. Next, the balance for service rendered and debtors account. Lastly, we can see the salaries and wages, drawings, electric expense, and water expense account. The purpose of a trial balance is to ensure that all entries made into an organization's general ledger are properly balanced. A trial balance lists the ending balance in each general ledger account. The total amount of the debits and credits in each accounting entry are supposed to match. Therefore, if the debit total and credit total on the trial balance do not match, this indicates that one or more transactions were recorded in the general ledger that were unbalanced. Here I would like to show the trial balance that we got, which is 744,600 ringgit Malaysia. Next is the profit and loss statement. The company managed to gain profit, which is 111,500 ringgit. The final part is to prepare the balance sheet statement. To get the amount of working capital, total current asset must be divided with the total current liability. Then, the working capital must be added with the total fixed asset. The amount should be same.
Usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. The profit and loss statement, also known as a P&L, is a financial statement that summarizes the expenditure, sale and expense incurred over a specified time span, typically a fiscal quarter or year. The profit and loss statement, also known as income statement, is a financial statement that compares a company net profit to its expense and debts. It also helps the bank and investor to see the overall profit, debt loads, and financial stability of your business. There are 6 usefulness of P&L. First, to help a company make a wise decision. Second, P&L statements are used as a revenue projection. Third, enhance company bottom line. Fourth, P&L also used as attractiveness to investor. Fifth, P&Ls are important to expense forecast. The projection of potential expenditure is another major part. Lastly, P&L statements are very helpful when preparing tax.
The balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that reports a company asset, liability, and shareholder equity at a specific point in time and provide a basis For computing rate of return and evaluating its capital structure, it is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of what a company owns and owes, as well as the amount invested by shareholder. There are 5 usefulness balance sheet. Balance sheet statement determine risk and return. 2. Balance sheet statement determine if working capital is enough. 3. Can be used as attractiveness and investor. 4. Balance sheet statement is helpful in financial returns. 5. To see if your company can continue in the future.
In conclusion, the importance of account was to provide important information that are used by the auditor to analyze how financial transactions impact business, to help compare the current financial information to historical data, to gain insight into a company and its operation, to show the amount of bank balance available in the bank account payable, show the amount owed to vendors.